All right, copy down this diagram and let's get to exercise number 38 in 2.7. I've got my two givens and my conclusion right there. You'll see I've already written down my givens here as the first line and with the reason, of course, given. So let's get right on this two-column form. But I'm going to make this a little bit easier. I'm just going to label these a little bit, one with numbers, so I can make sense out of this. When I draw in the right angle symbol, the first one, for ABD, you see that includes angles 1 and 2. When I draw in the other right angle symbol, and that would be for CBE, that's clearly angles 2 and 3. So what we're trying to prove is that angles 1 and 3 are congruent. So let's have a look, see what we can do there. Again, we don't know any of the angle measurements. All we know, this and this. All right, let's get to the proof itself. I could say that angles ABC and CBD are complementary. And that would be these two angles. I'll say that for line 2. And I'll put in for a reason that, well, they make a right angle. I suppose we could say that. Usually we say if two angles measure sum add to 90 degrees, then they're complementary. But I'll go with this. Then I can repeat the very same argument over here. And that is, of course, this angle. That would be CBE is made up out of these two angles, CBD and DBE, and that's going to be the same reason. We don't need to repeat it, we'll just write down same as 2. And our fourth and final line, well, let me see. We're always going to end with a conclusion. And let me see. Theorem 2.5 says, if two angles are complementary to the same angle, then they are congruent.